In the category of pharmaceuticals, healthcare and biotechnology, the second prize goes to Panvo Organics Private Limited. May I request Mr. Hasmukh Lal D. Vora, Director of Panvo Organics, to come on the stage and receive the award.
And I am in pharma industry for last more than 54 years. At the age of 62, when people retires, I thought of starting a manufacturing unit and become a manufacturer, an entrepreneur. Earlier I was a trader and marketing person. At the age of 62, I became an entrepreneur, and I have founded this along with my friend. I started Panvo Organic Private Limited in 2006. I think out of box, and whatever idea I get, my people try to implement, and because of good synergy we are able to achieve good results. Basically, I had in my career introduce few bulk drug for the first time in India after multinationals. We Indians are second to none as far as the organic chemistry is concerned. We may not develop new product, but we can re-engineer the product, offer it at a competitive price and a better and consistent product. I am confident, and a small company like mine has proved that. We have developed few products for the first time in the country and exporting to country like USA, Canada, Europe and all. And our interest is not just pharma. We are in pharma, we are in chemical, we are in performance chemicals. Now we are come out with a polysaccharide which is called chitosan, which is making waves and which can reduce fertilizer consumption by almost 50%. And that raw material, we are the biggest manufacturer and exporter in the country. But being a small product and small market, our turnover is not big, but our idea is big, and our idea is to bring every year 2-3 new products for the first time in the country. I am happy to tell you that we have developed one raw material which is required for COVID injections, remdesivir. That raw material in world only 4 or 5 people are making. We have been successful in developing that product, and we have gone into commercial production.